And in a bid to enhance road safety and curb increasing cases of accidents in the country, Cabinet Secretary for Transport Kipchumba Murkomen has issued a directive mandating public service vehicles to install dashboard cameras. This crucial measure aims not only to monitor the behavior of drivers but also provide vital evidence in case accidents or disputes occurs. Our reporter Berila Kinye now reports.
In a bold move aimed at enhancing road safety, CS Murkomen has issued a pressing directive demanding public service vehicles to install cameras within their vehicles. This order comes as a response to the growing concerns over reckless driving and rising incidents of accidents involving public service vehicles. By making dashboard cameras mandatory, CS Murkomen seeks to hold drivers accountable for their behavior on the roads while also gathering crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes.
And PSV vehicles and school transport vehicles must, the word is must, be fitted with dashboard cameras and vehicle telematics.
However, this proposal has been met with strong opposition from drivers who argue that it infringes upon their privacy and raises concerns about potential misuse of the recorded footages. Pitting drivers against CS Murkomen's order, this contentious issue highlights the ongoing debate between public safety and individual rights in Kenya transport system.
Unapoweka kamera kwa gari lako, unajua pia hiyo inaenda kinyume na ile your privacy. Wapo hizo kamera zitawekwa, haitazuia ajali kufanyika.
With unwavering commitment to prioritize road safety, CS Murkomen has taken a proactive step by ordering the installation of dashboard cameras in public service vehicles. This ambitious move aims to enhance accountability, deter reckless driving, and deter potential criminal activities. Berila Kinye, Tandao News Outlook.